Any drone spotted off base that's not tied to us is immediately a red flag. So my first bit of advice to anyone who sees a UAV around base, whether it be at the perimeter or inside, is to immediately latch onto that. Get in touch with the CDOC, get in touch with base ops if that's your ability to. Make sure that you're not the only person who's aware of that happening at any given time. Don't try and see it and just think it's, oh, what is that? That's something cool. Don't try and see it and just try and maybe if I look away, you know, or don't leave it to somebody else to then be able to go and pick up your slack. If you see it, say something. Perhaps it's an authorized drone. If so, no harm, no foul. But if you see something and you don't say something and it's not one of those, then it's going to be a hostile threat that you've just allowed to enter our airspace and threaten our assets and your own and others' lives. For someone unaffiliated, the sUAS program here, we cover the airspace of the base as well as a decent bit outside of the base as well, that any potential approach of the base could happen. We conduct our missions every single day. We operate at altitude not as high as, say, an MQ-9 goes or any other aircraft goes that is manned, but ours is more for intelligence, surveillance, and reconnaissance. Any person approaching the installation, whether it be at day or night, is at chance of being seen by us. Any person sees that is going to be out looking for us is going to have a very difficult time to find us. We're a small, as in the name, small unmanned aerial system, sUAS. We fly at altitude. It's a small aircraft that blends into the day and is nigh impossible to see at the night with our IR or beacons off. We deliver immediate 10-digit grid coordinates for any place our camera is pointed at with a live feed video that can go to multiple other base agencies. And we run the gamut as far as like working with other personnel on the ground, being whether that's directing them to a source, giving them backbriefed intel to intelligence sectors, and as well as being able to identify targets for other agencies, whether that be an aircraft or another on-the-ground asset. Blue Cell are your friendly forces. They are going to be your QRFs, your base security forces, your base POP once they're armed up and utilized to be that whole defense in depth, all that good stuff. The red cell is generally just what is going to be opposing them for any given exercise, whether that be squadron, wing, or what have you. Their modus operandi is generally just to see what the enemy in a given AOR is doing, study their tactics, study their technology, study what times they're doing things, the totality of their operations, and then try to mimic that at our location or wherever location that red cell is, so as the base can then simulate being attacked or otherwise surveilled or what have you by that particular enemy force.